How did you first consider coming out to California?
When I was at MIT, my two best friends were from California, and one of them had a girlfriend in Berkeley here, and one of them had a girlfriend in Los Angeles. So for vacations that lasted a week or so, we would get drive-away cars, other people's cars, that you could drive across country and just pay for gas. Yeah, in the
country?
Sunday paper, people would advertise. There was a whole section of the classifieds where people advertised they wanted someone to drive their cars. And it was relatively easy to find a car, even around the time you wanted to go. I don't know if that section still exists, but maybe it's on the web someplace. But these are people, for one reason or another, not necessarily rich people even, who just wanted their cars driven across the country because it was inconvenient for them to spend the time. And I remember one time we picked up a car from a woman, and she made us promise not to drive over 80 miles an hour. But generally you paid for gas and that's all, delivered the car.